In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter on a list in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or just looking to refine your data visualization skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and make your data more impactful and meaningful. To start with, open up your Tableau public app. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from Tableau's official website. Once you've launched the application, ensure you are connected to your data source. Upon opening the dashboard, navigate to the worksheet where you'd like to apply your filtering. This section is crucial since it's where we will perform most of our operations and visualize filtered data seamlessly. Now let's get hands-on. First, locate the sales field in your data pane. You're going to drag this field into the columns shelf. What this does is set a structure for your visualization by displaying the sales data horizontally across the top of your chart. This step is foundational because it gives you a clear view of how sales figures are distributed, which is excellent for visual analysis. Next up, find the Customer ID field. Drag the Customer ID to the rows shelf. By doing this, you create a row for each customer within your data set. It's a simple yet powerful way to break down your sales figures into segments corresponding to individual customers. Now, Tableau starts to generate a grid, providing a more granular view of your data. After setting up the basic visualization, we move on to filtering. Take the Customer ID field again and drag it to the Filters shelf. This step ensures that your visualization displays only the data you want to examine, which is incredibly useful if you're dealing with large data sets. Once it's there, you'll be prompted with a filtering window. Look for the option labeled Custom Value List and select it. This option allows you to specify which customer IDs you want to include in your view. It's particularly useful for managers or analysts looking to focus on specific clients. Now, if you have a predefined list of customer IDs or specific data you want to filter by, simply paste it into the input area within the window. Make sure the IDs or data entries are correctly formatted for accurate filtering results. The final step is straightforward. With your custom list in place, click Apply to activate the filter you've set up. Then click OK to confirm and exit the dialog box. And there you have it. Your worksheet now displays data filtered according to your specified criteria, allowing you to focus on what's most important. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this quick tutorial on filtering in Tableau helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on data analysis. Until next time, keep exploring and visualizing your data creatively.